YouTube. Welcome back, guys, and happy Sunday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Palace skateboards, two at the deck that I copped last week. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So I guess every purchase that you bought from Palace Skateboard, there's always a return form in case you don't like it. Okay. Versus Supreme, you cannot return. So here are the two decks that I got from the drop. This is supposed to be the CD. As you can see, the CD has a shiny silver look to it, and it says reverse Palace on there. And there's almost like a Palace right here too, but it's been cut off. And this one is the one with the red accent on the edge. And then you got the CD Palace right here on the top of the deck. This is the Palace. And you got the green finish. And right here it says the size 8.5. You got the original Palace triangle right there, triangle fur. So the other one, this one is the Rory Pro. There's a nice Palace triangle right here. So I guess that's the artist name, Minanes. It is purple on the bottom half. And then on the top, this is kind of like a, not sure what is it. It looks like a grain or something. So anyway. Wow. And then this is the top of the design. This is something new. And this one is the 8.125, the size. And again, you got the Palace triangle right there. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then subscribe. Please be sure to turn on that bell for notification and drop any other comments on below. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments on below, guys. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.